If Adam's plane traveled at a constant speed of 375 miles per hour for 6 hours, how far did the plane travel? The hours will divide out, and then we need to multiply 375 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 1 more makes 45. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 4 makes 22. So his plane will travel 2,250 miles. Another salt marsh harvest mouse took 7 seconds to run a 350 centimeter race. How fast did it run? We have this relationship where distance is the rate divided by, rate is the distance divided by the time. So if we're looking for how fast, that's the rate piece of it. And we can find that by taking the distance and dividing it by the time. So 7 goes into 35 5 times, and then we would have an extra 0. We can look at it in the long division sense too. There's no remainders there, but we still have this 1 extra 0 here, so we need to put something on top of it. So this is 50 centimeters per second.